Dear brothers and sisters, hope that all are doing well. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great and having really good time. Alhamdulillah, you are doing great time. Today in this video, I would like to share with you most important thing. The thing is why listening is so important. And today I would like to talk about this thing actually. This is the specific thing you have, I have, and you have access. Actually, you can, if you want, you can listen lots of things. You can listen actually necessary thing, unnecessary thing. Is depends on your mind. What type of thing actually you need. I need to speak English. I need to improve my English. That's why I have to listen. And every time I try to listening is the best way to improve your English. And a sentence very well. The sentence is, every good listener is a good speaker. That's why you have to listen always. And it depends on your time actually. It depends on you. I have seen lots of students, those who are really want to speak English, but they are facing one problem day by day, every single day. What is this? They can speak English even though they know each and every grammar part and grammar rules, definition and phrases, but they can speak English. And when they are trying to speak English, they are sticking, they are freezing, and then they leave it. This is the actual problem. The problem is they are not listening. They should listen. When you listen more and more, your brain will prepare for delivery your lecture, delivery your speech. That's why you should listen always. When I started my English journey, I used to listen lots of time. I never ever count how many hours I listen actually. So I never ever count. I always try to improve my English. I always try to level my best. I never ever count how many hours I study, how many hours I speaking, how many hours I listening. So I never ever count this type of thing actually. I just focus on myself. So you have to listen always, brother. Listening is the best way to improve English. Why do you not understand actually? You have to understand this type of thing actually. If you want to be English speaker, you should listen always. Listening is only one way it can change your life. It can change your brain. So you have to feed your brain. So you have only one access. The access is listening is free. Every time is free for you. You can go YouTube, you can go Facebook, and then you can search motivation lecture. You can find out so many people, they are giving their lecture very motivatedly, very effortlessly. So when you listen those kind of people lecture, so you will be so motivated. That's why you should listen always. And I pay for motivational lecture, and you can see lots of motivational speaker available in YouTube, in Facebook, in other social media. That's why you should listen their lecture. When you listen their lecture, you will be so motivated. You will be so actually, what can I say? You will be so powerful speaker. And sometime I thought if I listen more and more, what will be benefit actually for me? And I realized one thing after completing my listening period. I noticed one thing. A listening can change our mind. A listening can change our actually brain patterns. So if you really want to speak English, you have to listen. I hope you got my point. Thanks for this video. All the best and pray for me. And if you really like my video, please consider to subscribing my channel, share on your Facebook. All the best.